Residents in the town of Ayutla in southern Mexico have armed themselves and installed checkpoints in the roads in a desperate bid to stop drug gangs from operating in the area. Dozens of armed masked men are stopping vehicles and searching them for weapons and drugs. One member of the self-defense group says citizens will no longer allow their town to be terrorized and will not lay down their arms until peace is restored.
They kill, dismember, rape and extort. We don't know anymore whether they are assassins, robbers or drug traffickers. They want to take everything. The only thing we are doing is justice. We want to bring peace and tranquility to the entire population. Only the people can bring order by being organized.
The number of people in the self-defense group varies from day to day, as many members also work in cattle ranches and local markets. Similar groups have been organized in nearby towns. A security specialist at the National Autonomous University of Mexico says the government has little presence in the area where self-defense groups operate.
These are defensive pillars of society. They are geographically focused, roused by poverty, destitution and unemployment with very little education. But they are people who know how to organize themselves, who know how to mobilize themselves, who know how to protect their homes, their lives, their interests. They are looking for dignified options and are denouncing how the state, one way or another, has left a vacuum of authority, order and control. They have left a real vacuum in these communities.
Since the self-defense group began operating in Ayutla, at least 17 people have been arrested, and one suspected gang member was shot and killed after allegedly opening fire at a checkpoint. State security officials have applauded the efforts to the self-defense groups and say their work should be complemented by official police and military forces. But most residents of Ayutla think that interference from government security forces would make their operations less successful.